Welcome to the beauty of the Spanish guitar. This is a course on how to play gorgeous sounding guitar by yourself, inspired by the beauty of Spanish music. Have you ever sat down to play your guitar and wondered what to play when you would like to relax? Are you a beginning guitarist looking for a little inspiration? Or an advanced guitarist wanting to discover the beauty within the chords that you already know? Are you sick of learning meaningless riffs and bits and pieces of songs with no real connection? Especially when friends or family say, "Can you play me something on your acoustic guitar?" You've found a course that will transform your playing into cohesive, beautiful sounding chords, melodies, and songs using the simplest of the beginner guitar chords such as A minor, D7, E minor, E7, and other beautiful, easy to finger, easy to grip open chords. We are going to explore how to play these chords for the most beauty, how to bring out the natural beauty of your acoustic guitar using such items as open strings, a guitar pick, and sometimes your picking hand. So, grab your guitar, brew a favorite cup of whatever you'd like, and be ready to sit down and take a trip to the cafes of Madrid and Barcelona.